Why should you check out Tusk? Well, number one, this is a CPU mineable coin with a brand new algorithm, Random Tuske. Number two, this is a super low supply coin, even lower than Bitcoin, which means in the future, this coin could have some huge upside potential as far as price is concerned. And three, this coin just launched, so the difficulty is pretty low right now. So you can probably mine and pick up a pretty good bag for yourself going forward, and who knows what happens with the price. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly what Tusk is all about. Of course, we'll get into how to mine it, and then we'll dive in and check out the price of the coin and see just how much you can be making with your CPU going forward. Let's get into it. All right, so here we are over on tusk.network. As usual, everything I'm talking about will be down below, so you don't have to worry about searching for any of this information. Layer 1 blockchain focused on private and censorship resistant transactions. This is going to be kind of like a, I guess like a Monero type of a deal here on this coin. With a little bit of their own type of spin to it. The majority of existing cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, have transparent blockchains. Transactions can be verified and or traced by anyone in the world. This means that sending and receiving addresses of these transactions could potentially be linked to real-world identities. Tusk, on the other hand, uses various technologies to ensure the privacy of its users. Tusk features, of course, proof of work, their new Random Tuske CPU mineable algorithm, dynamic scalability. A new block is created every 2 minutes. There is no maximum block size, but instead of dynamic block size to ensure a dynamic scalability. Privacy enhancing, ring CT, stealth addresses, ring signatures, etc. Inexpensive electronic cash, confidential and untraceable, and of course there's a growing community. Now this is what I was talking about as far as the supply of the coin. 18,446,744 actual TSK, I believe is what it is, Tusk coins.
Nice.
Initial block reward is about 8.5 as far as what I saw on the pool. Block time 120 seconds and languages supported 40 plus. It is kind of an odd total supply. I'm wondering if any of this was pre-mined. I'm not quite sure about that. Maybe you all can dig a little further into this actual project. Let me know in the comments down below. A new decentralized exchange using Tusk's peer-to-peer network. So it looks like they're going to be doing a decentralized exchange, which is pretty cool because this is a privacy-centered coin. So again, their exchange here is going to have no KYC. I like that. I think a lot of people out there do. Of course, it's going to be decentralized, private, and of course their ticker is TSK. Coin distribution. We got team development, 1%, long-term budget, 1%, marketing and community, 1%, and of course, miner reward, a huge 97%. And this is just the coin parameters again, going over the coin, block reward, total supply, stuff like that, ticker. You guys get the idea. There's our roadmap. I'm not going to go through this whole roadmap and bore you guys to death again. These links will be down below. You guys can go ahead and navigate through that and check it out for yourself. So right now we're going to dive in and get into how to mine this coin. Of course, the first thing we're going to need is a wallet. I downloaded this GUI wallet. They do have a CLI wallet, command line, and they also have a mobile wallet, which is pretty neat. Again, I downloaded the GUI. I put it on my machine. And if I go ahead and pull this folder up, we got wallets. There's Tusk right there, GUI, and you just go ahead and double click on that right there. The wallet will go ahead and pull up. I've already went through this. You'll get like a 24-word phrase. You got to make sure you copy that down in order because it will ask you to place some of those words in the correct order when you're setting up this wallet. All right, so here we are on the wallet again. Receive. There's going to be your address right there. All you can do is go ahead and click that, copy, and you are good to go. And we can go back over the account, and I should have some being deposited here shortly. I have been mining this for about 24 hours right now, and just pulling the wallet up and take a little bit to actually receive that payment. But anyways, again, So now we have the actual wallet address for the miner. There is their own unique miner, which is the Tusk miner. Again, this link will be down below. Just go ahead and download WinZip if you got a Windows machine. And they also have the Linux version right there if you do have that. So we're going to head back over here to miners. There's Tusk miners right here. I do have the bat file again down below in the description for your convenience. So right here, all you got to do is go ahead and put your actual wallet address right in there. And again, .NVIDIA rig, that's just my rig identifier. You can leave that blank as usual. You don't have to worry about that. I am again on rplant pool. Again, they make it nice and easy for you. Here we are over on rplant. There are a couple of other pools right now. I think there are about 3 other. If we go over to mining pool stats, scroll up, we got 4 other type pools: Tusk pool, Raptor hash, xpool.s, and zaza.info. But again, I'm over here on rplant because they just make it nice and easy for you to go ahead and connect to their pool. But again, once you choose whatever actual pool you want to use, you can just go ahead and replace that right there in that section and you'll be good to go. Just go ahead and save this file as a .bat, name it whatever you want. Just make sure it's a .bat or it will not work. At this point, just go ahead and double click on Tusk Miner or whatever you called it. And this is what the actual miner is going to go ahead and look like. This miner is based off XM rig. If you guys recognize the actual miner here, that's why it looks like that. It's based off XM rig. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the actual price of this coin right now. We're over here on Coin Paprika. This coin has only been out, I think it's on one exchange right now, ZEGX. And I think it's been there in like 2 days now, if I'm not mistaken. So we're hovering right around 13 cents per coin. And over here on rplant, I've been paid out about 1 TSK. So in about 24 hours, I made about 13 cents on this CPU, which again, for this CPU, which is a i5 8600K, that's pretty good for this actual CPU. So you can probably make some decent money on mining this coin right now. And if you're over there and you're connected to ZEGX and you want to go ahead and mine and sell, you can go ahead and do that. I think there's only pretty low volume if I'm not mistaken. If I go over to, gonna go right here, yeah, it's only about $300 of actual volume on ZEGX over there. Of course, I don't know how accurate this is over here on miningpoolstats.stream, but again, you can go ahead and mine this coin and sell it if you want to, or mine it and hold a bag. Again, with such a low supply like that, this coin could actually, you know, in this bull run, if it does take off a bit, could easily be quite a few dollars for this coin, and you can have a nice turnaround and a nice sale in the future as far as the actual price of this coin is concerned. All right, so that's the Project Tusk. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure you put them down below. If you're interested in another CPU mineable coin, go ahead and check this one out. If you're interested in a good GPU mineable coin, one I sit here and have been mining for the past month, almost 2 months right now, if I'm not mistaken, go ahead and check out Chlor right here.